So we are doing this project for code analysis and for security purpose. First of all, we have to install Jenkins, Docker, Trivy, and SonarQube in Git Bash. First, we have to create an instance. In there, we have to take T2 or T3 2x large and obviously key pair. And we have to give the volume of the instance in first one. That's why we will not get error while we are running the project. After installing that all, we have to first install the plugins like Docker, JDK, Java, Maven, SonarQube, dependency check. That's it. And after that, we have to create an environment in SonarQube. Like we have to give the user, and we have to create a token in there, and we have to create a webhook that which will connect it to the Jenkins. So we are using Jenkins as a CI/CD pipeline here. And after that, after creating the SonarQube environment, we have to come to the Jenkins pipeline, and we have to create a job in that. In that, we have to give some credentials like Docker and Sonar. We have to give credentials of Sonar token, which we will connect to the SonarQube, and Docker, which will connect it to the Docker Hub. After that, we have to give we have to go to manage Jenkins, and we have to give system. We have to connect the SonarQube Sonar server with Jenkins so that we can run the pipeline. After that, we have to give tools like Java, Maven, SonarQube, Docker, and dependency check. So while we are running that pipeline, we can automatically install all that. And after that, this is the pipeline where we will use for this project. And first, we will give tokens where it will automatically download the Java and Maven, and we are giving the environment where we will connect to the Sonar server. And the stage, this is a clean workspace where we are cleaning all the code so that it will be new update thing. And we will clone the project where we are doing now pet shop. We will fork that from the document where sir has given, and we will fork that to our GitHub, and we will give this here, and we will compile the above things, and we will test the code obviously. And SonarQube analysis, where we will analyze our code, where we will get our bugs, all things we can see here, what are the issues and all there here. And after that, we will build the complete project. After building, we have to build here so that we will get the building where we will use in Nexus repository. Sorry. And dependency check, where we will scan our image, our code, where we can see all our errors, bugs, how many bugs we have to rectify, and all. And we can do this all by pipeline syntax only. And Nexus artifact, this is where we will store our code as an artifact, and we will give that building where in pipeline syntax only, so that it will store our code as an artifact in a Nexus repository. And finally, we are doing our Docker, deploying our image in Docker Hub. We are and we are pushing our image in Docker Hub. This all details we will do in credentials and tools. And by giving our Docker name, username, and password, it will directly push our image to Docker Hub. We can see that repository down. And Trivy, this is also same like an dependency check. It will scan our code in a image mode. This is the SonarQube analysis, where we can see all the bugs and see how many 66 bugs are there. Like that, we will see this screen while our code is built successfully. And this is an Nexus artifact, where we are storing our code as an artifact in Nexus repository. And this is dependency check. We will see how many which our code is critical or high or low, like this we can see here. And this is where we will push our image in Docker Hub. And this is a 3V scan where it is successfully run and it scanned our image.
Excellent. So what are the issues you faced while
so
this project?
I got confused in tools and systems, sir, where I have been rectified that, and I did all completely, sir. And in Nexus Artifactory, I have in Sonar, I have given / sir in system. Yeah, and that's 2 errors I got, sir, and rectified it.